So WordPress website is open. My dashboard is this, but in appearances you can see menu option is not showing. Let me go to the appearances and show you. Menu option is not showing in appearances. You can see there is no menu option. So let's go to my themes. I will tell you the reason why this is not showing my menu option. So herein you can see I have activated 2025. This is full site theme. This is the reason it is not showing. So I have also I'm using, you can see, Elementor. So better is to go to the Hello Elementor. You can simply look for, you can, best way is to click on add theme and look for Hello Elementor. So here you need to click on this Hello Elementor here. Simply search this and you need to install this one. So you need to open this one, Hello Elementor, and click on this install button and install this Hello Elementor. Now click on this activate button. So you can see now Hello Elementor is now activated for me. So just need to refresh this page and now you can see appearance menu is showing. You can see here menu option is showing now properly. So just click on this menu option and everything is now showing up, menu option. And it is better as well because in Elementor I will always recommend to use Hello Elementor theme, and menu is also showing up here now. So I hope friends now you will be able to do this. In case you still face any problem, you can mention that in the comment section. I'll make sure to give you reply. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.